Welcome to my channel where I share support and resistance, and do not think just my videos and my support and resistance as just a support and resistance, because the support and the resistance which I share, if people find out the accuracy, they might gonna start taking the trades on the basis of my analysis. So straight away, it's not a financial recommendation. Please do your own research for any sort of financial decision. So in this today's analysis, again, I will be talking about support and resistance, and it's just a daily analysis video, and we will be talking about the levels where the BTC will get a support or get a resistance, and what are the things which is happening with the Bitcoin right now as of as of now so far. So when I'm recording this video, the Bitcoin is up by almost 2%. So there are a lot of people who might be wondering, is this the beginning of a bull cycle or uptrend, or all sort of things which they can think of to make themselves good about the move which they are observing with the Bitcoin. So I will be talking about the support and resistance with taking the time frame. So just to point out, this is daily time frame, this is 4 hour time frame, this is 1 hour time frame, and this is 15 minute. My focus will be on this daily and the 4 hour, mainly 4 hour, because the price action which we are observing it right now, it has to do with the 4 hour. And another thing which I should be pointing out, to get the best out of this, my analysis which I'm sharing, I just wanted to point out this asset which I'm using for my analysis, BTC USDT, from the Binance, not from any other exchanges, not OKX, not Coinbase, not, I mean, this is Binance. I am using my analysis. So let's say let's get this analysis in this 4 hour time frame, because as I mentioned, everything right now which is happening has to do with the 4 hour time frame. And I just want to add this level, starting with this level, I have shared my weekly time frame, weekly analysis for the Bitcoin, and as well as other, yeah, gold as well, I think. But in my weekly analysis, one of this level I talked about and I shared about this level. So when I shared my analysis, the price was trading somewhere here, okay, in this particular candle, or maybe somewhere here in these two candles. And what I talked about or mentioned in my, let's zoom in the 4 hour. So what I mentioned about the price action in terms of possible scenarios is taking this levels as in reference, and the level, the this price level is still there, it's still valid. And what I said in that video, in the weekly analysis video, is there would be a case. The first case which I talked about is the case where the price go for this side, and the second case is for the downside. Right now, the case which is happening with this Bitcoin, the move, the overall move is it has to do with the upside move. Now, I am going to cover the things which is happening around with this price action. Still, the main price level for this BTC is this. If I just marked this price level, that's going to be, let's mark it down. This level 63,566. The important thing about this level is, as long as the Bitcoin is trading above this level, because in this candle price break above the level, the closing is above this level, and then after that this new 4 hour candle which we are noticing is, people might gonna take some indication. Now it's a very big bullish candle and price will continue. So I'm just adding the fact that that is only valid as long as the price is keep on trading above this specific level at any 4 hour time frame. 4 hour, again it's in the 4 hour, we are in a 4 hour. At any 4 hour candle, if price break below this level and started trading here after the closing, and that's the sign that the bullish momentum has, uh, it's not there. It's, let me just close. Okay, anyway. So that is the first sign, the first indication the price is now not in the bullish move, it's in the downside move. Uh, in terms of downside move, again, the first thing the BTC has to do is in any 4 hour candle, price has to close below this level. That has to happen for any further downside from this price level. But at this moment when where the price is trading, which is here, the chances are the price will likely go for this particular price level, and it will try to take a support here, this price level. It will try to take a support here. As I said, as long as price get enough support and keep on trading above this level, then we might gonna see some uptrend move or upside move. So I think I'm not gonna talk about the upside moves, but just to point out, this will be the next resistance here. This level is the next resistance, but I'm leaning more towards the analysis which I have been, talking about in all of my videos is price. Now I'm switching to the daily time frame. Price will most likely go for from here eventually for this price level, most likely. Not, we might see, we might not gonna see the exact price, but yeah, there might be some sort of a this sort of a wicks which will be there, but eventually price has to go for this price level. This is what I am expecting with this Bitcoin. And then after the price will take a U-turn and make a move from here for one of the price, which I mean one of the target which I'm talking about in my videos is this 74,500. But right now, as per the new available information, the indicator which I'm using, this is the price target, but overall it is just nearby to this the price which I was talking about, this level. This is the price level where the BTC will go for from here. This is what is going to happen with this Bitcoin. So again, let me just mark down this level again, which is not new, which I am talking about in all of my previous videos. Sync, and then let's make the color a little bit different here, blue, and then let's sync this level, not sync, but yeah, bring it to front, and then let's go back to the 4 hour time frame again to see what uh, is the possible outcome on the basis of the the information which I'm trying to convey. So like I said, if any 4 hour candle closed below this level, which is this level 63,566, then the chances are the price will most likely first go for this level, and then eventually price will go for this level. And from here I am expecting the move which I'm talking about with the price level, which was what, this price level. Let's mark that price level also, this price level. This is the price where the BTC will go for in the midterm. This is the target. So at this on this moment, and I think for this entire week, the most important level which we should be observing is the 63,566.6, And I'm just again repeating the analysis which I'm doing is with this BTC USDT perpetual Binance, not from any other centralized exchanges. It's just Binance perpetual Bitcoin. So to get the best out of it, I think I'm just pointing out that. So as I said, the most important level we have right now is this: the every move, either for the upside or for the downside, has it has to be based on this specific level. If price, from here, if price comes back down, if it gets a support, then price will get a support on this level, and then it will attempt for the uptrend move, and this is one of the another major level where the Bitcoin will get a resistance. But if during this down, kind of a declining move which is happening right now, if it goes for the downside to take a support, and eventually any 4-hour candle closed below the level, then there is a high likelihood price will first go for this level. This is the third major level, and then lastly this level, which is I think the daily time frame level. So this is what we have in this video, or I have to share with you all. And if you like the content, please do like the videos, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification if you are interested with these sort of analysis. And yeah, that's all for now. See you in the next analysis. Bye bye.